So we just got back from McDonald's. Got burgers. And yeah, it looks like we ordered some chicken nuggets. We asked for ketchup, mustard, and mayonnaise. Looks like we got those, but I opened up and got a surprise. We thought we got some free nuggets. This is our mayonnaise we got from McDonald's. But I guess we'll have mayonnaise for a while. Okay, we just want to check in with you guys and let you know that we are about to start work on painting the Mustang, and we'll do a video of that later. Things we bought, and we'll give you an update. Thanks. Subscribe, like, and hit the bell. Thanks.